is set to begin soon for a former Stoneman Douglas High School resource deputy, Scot Peterson.
Motions were heard today in court, and Local 10 News reporter Christina Vasquez has been in the courtroom today and joins us live from Fort Lauderdale. Christina.
And both sides telling a judge today what they would like to see jurors view if they go to the building.
It's protection for God. God's going to protect.
Scot Peterson getting choked up as the start of his trial inches closer. The former BSO deputy is facing several charges to include multiple counts of child neglect related to the 2018 Parkland school shooting.
The whole shooting just comes back. We just relive it.
Jury selection now scheduled to start next week. The judge in today's pretrial hearing denying a defense motion to continue the trial in 75 days. They had said the majority of their witnesses were out of town during the approaching summer weeks. The judge unmoved, saying Zoom and video testimony are options.
This is not a voluntary exercise.
The judge deferring a ruling on whether jurors will view the inside of the 1200 building preserved as a crime scene. The defense is asking they visit the outside of the building at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School to see the scale of the building and to hear what attorney Mark Eiglarch describes as a pronounced echo in the area, a key detail to the defense case on why his client took what he describes as a tactical position of cover.
The distance between the two positions is so extraordinary. The only way to appreciate that is to physically be there.
Prosecutors told the judge if they are going to the building, they should also view the inside. Charges in this case relate to those injured and killed on the third floor, shot when Peterson was nearby but did not enter the building.
They have to see the whole thing.
The judge wondering if photos and video would be sufficient. The defense saying taking them inside would be prejudicial.
Have a difficult case here. It is not an open and shut case. There's a lot open for interpretation.
The judge deferring his ruling on this one. Legal analysts describe this as a first-of-its-kind trial because of the state's novel approach in its application of child neglect charges. School resource officer as caregiver.
I wouldn't want any law enforcement officer in this country to experience this. That's all.
And so all parties will be back in court on Tuesday of next week. And again, jury selection is now scheduled to start Wednesday. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.